In this hands-on demo, we will take you directly into the two incredible tools that are redefining the literature review experience: Semantic Scholar and Connected Papers. Both are free, AI driven, and built to make your research life more manageable. Let's begin with the Semantic Scholar. First, visit semanticscholar.org. You don't even need to sign in to explore most of the features. Let's type in our example query like Big 5 personality traits in cross-cultural studies. Instantly, you will see the clean list of papers sorted by relevance and recency. Each result gives us a snapshot: abstract, authors, citation, and field of study tags. What makes the Semantic Scholar powerful? It highlights the key phrases and citation directly in the search results. And you will see how often a paper is cited and where it fits in the academic conversation. There's even an AI generated summary that saves your time by giving a core insight in 1 or 2 sentences. Incredible? Let's refine this search. Click on filters by year, field of study, and author. Select open access to view only downloadable PDFs. Have you noticed the citation graphs here? These show how often a paper is cited over time. Helpful for identifying the influentials versus the outdated research. If you sign in, you can create a library, bookmark papers, and get the recommendations based on your reading history. Now, let's switch to connectedpapers.com. This tool lets you map out the academic landscape related to the paper of interest. Paste in a seed paper, say a known article about a Big 5 personality model. AI will process its references and citations and then generate an interactive graph. Yes, graph. What does this graph show? Prior works that influence the paper, derivative works that built on it, adjacent works that are thematically similar. It's not just a citation web, it's a semantic network built using the machine learning. Click any node on the graph. It brings up the title, author, journal, and abstract on the right. Hover over the links to see the co-citation strength, how closely related the papers are. The size of dot is equal to its citation volume. A position is equal to the thematic relevance. This is amazing for discovering the hidden gems of papers you might never have found through the linear search. You can download the map as PDF or keep it saved in your Connected Papers dashboard. Imagine you are writing a thesis on personality traits in the remote work environments. You start with a Semantic Scholar search. Then pick a solid paper, plug it into the Connected Papers, and in minutes, you have built a reading roadmap for your literature review. No more getting lost on Google Scholar for hours. To summarize, use Semantic Scholar for precise keyword-based search, summaries, and citation metrics. Use Connected Papers for visualizing academic neighborhoods, exploring the related work, and building your citation structure. These two tools together give you speed, accuracy, and structure, the 3 pillars of successful literature review.